Samsung Odyssey G7 Series 32-inch WQHD 2560 by 1440 gaming monitor, 240 Hz, curved, 1 millisecond, HDMI, G-SYNC FreeSync Premium Pro. About this item: unmatched immersion. Get your head in the game with Odyssey's 1000R panel, which matches the curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. Set with stand, inches, -27.96 by 23.41 by 12.04 WQHD resolution. Make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Packing in one. 7 times the pixel density of Full HD. WQHD resolution boasts incredibly detailed, pin-sharp images. Experience a fuller view with more space to take in all the action. NVIDIA G-SYNC and FreeSync. Dropping frames means dropping chances to put your enemy in the dirt. With NVIDIA G-SYNC and FreeSync Premium Pro support, Odyssey matches every frame from your graphics card, so you're never caught short from moment to moment. Rapid 240 Hz refresh rate. Topping leaderboards never looked or felt so smooth. With Odyssey's rapid 240 Hz refresh rate, you have up to 4 times as many frames displayed on screen every second compared to a traditional screen. Infinity Core lighting. Odyssey's Infinity Core is a striking addition to any desktop, matching world firsts in technology, with stunning visual design. Lightning fast 1 millisecond response times. A fraction of a second can be the difference between your destruction, or your enemies. With Odyssey's gray to gray 1 millisecond response time, you can be sure that you're receiving information as fast as technologically possible. Cutting-edge QLED technology. From deepest blacks to vivid colors, Samsung QLED ensures pixel-perfect picture quality with every frame. Utilizing quantum dot technology, Samsung QLED creates more vivid colors with 125% more color space compared to sRGB, ensuring the highest class of color reproduction. Find hidden depth with HDR 600. From damp and dark corridors, to sunlit alien vistas, Odyssey's HDR 600 brings incredible depth to the worlds you choose to explore, revealing the smallest hidden details so you don't miss a thing. Compare with similar items. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button.